How to change footer in Google Docs. Hi guys, let's get started right away. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on the document that you would like to change the next footer. Now upon scrolling down, you will notice that there's a pattern with my footer, and I did the page numbering, so from 1 2 3 4, and now the next page I do not want it to go with the same pattern. Now here is exactly how you can change your footer in Google Docs. Now because we'll be needing a new page to demonstrate this, I'll be doing a page break. Now to do this, you go to insert. Now scroll over to where you see break and then tap on section break to the next page. That's it, to give you the brand new page. Now let's scroll down to the new page that we just created. Now you would notice it already took the pattern of my footers. It already has the page numbering. Now to change this pattern, all you need to do is to double click. Now you'll be unchecking link to the previous. Now you don't want this particular page linked to the previous, and when you tap on that, you notice that the page number on this particular page is changed, and then you can edit it into what you would like. Now you can also scroll down to other pages. You would notice that nothing changed with their footer. They are still exactly the same. The only change that happened is with the new page. Now guys, this is exactly how you can change footer in Google Docs. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now see you in my next video. Bye.